I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. So this week we have seen that bulls have been in action, but then again we have seen some sort of slow movement as the upside was capped. But towards the end we saw a good closing, so this indicates that the upside is going to continue. But before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. Now, talking about levels, we need to look at 21,750 as a crucial support zone for the upside move towards 22,222 and then 22,500 marks. Overall, buying has been seen in sector-specific action, which indicates that these are going to drive the index ahead. Talking about the Bank Nifty, we have seen that selective private banks have come and aided the banking index to outperform in this entire week. We have seen that some sort of range-bound move was there, but then again towards the end of the week, we have seen that the bulls have made a good, strong closing in the banking index. So we need to look at support of 45,750 levels for an upside move towards 47,000 marks. Now, since we have seen some sort of call writers up there in the market. So that is the reason why the upside was a little bit capped. But then again, towards the end, we've seen that the put call ratio has also improved, which indicates that put writers have made a strong position in the market. Now, India VIX has been consecutively falling down from the last 4 sessions, which indicates that clearly bulls are being made comfortable in the market. Now, sector-specific action, one need to watch out for auto and auto ancillary stocks and also look at the PSU basket, which includes some of the banking names, energy and pharma names as well. Thank you. See you next week.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.